seahorse small and sweet, with flounder fins and little feet. A parrotfish with colors bright, shines like a rainbow in the light. Oh, under the sea, so wild and free, a big blue world for you and me. With jellyfish floating, stingray glides, we'll swim together, side by side. Coral reefs in colors grand, crabs make castles in the sand. Dolphins